You just have to be very cautious and you need to be quite careful. Scammers will take advantage of the fact that you might be in a rush, you might be distracted. They'll try and sell you on a special offer that's time limited. You know, you're going to miss out if you don't buy this right away. And at times of the year like today, when it's Black Friday, when lots of shops have time limited offers, it can be hard to tell what's a legitimate site and a legitimate offer from what's a scam. So you need to think very carefully about, how did I end up on the website? So in the first...
Often it's an ad.
Often it's an ad, and that's how a scammer brings you in. So even if it's a well-known brand, if you got there through an ad, close that window, go back out into your browser and just visit that website the normal way through the main website. And that way you know how you got there. And if it's a website that you've never heard of before, but it looks like it has what you're looking for, go back out, Google the website, look for reviews, Trustpilot, Reddit, Google Maps. You can see what other consumers have gone through. And I suppose when we talk to consumers, we did say, look, could you have seen it coming? Like, with the benefit of hindsight, when you look back, could you have seen it coming? And in some cases they say, look, to be honest, they were so good, I don't know how I would have known. But in other cases they do say, if I had just Googled it, you know, I found that other consumers had gone through this before.
Have you ever been caught?
I think probably everybody has been caught at one point or another, whether you realised or not. You know, clicked on an ad, bought something, and then maybe when it turns up, even if it's not as good a quality as you expected.
Or smaller than you thought.
Or smaller than you thought. All of these things can go wrong. I think what really comes through is that nobody is safe. Regardless of your age, where you're from, your education, nobody is safe.